Hi, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. So we have Miss Jacqueline here. Miss Jacqueline is 5 months pregnant, correct?
6.
6 months now? Oh, when she started it was 5 months, now it's 6 months. And the accident was in beginning of January, mid-January, correct? So she was in a car accident. What kind of accident was it? It was just...
The car hit me from the side.
So it was a side swipe kind of accident. She was in pain, she's came in here, we've been treating her since. And yesterday was the first time she got adjusted manually. Before we were kind of being mild and moving everything using the arthro step. So yesterday was the first treatment. How was the last treatment?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Yes,
So one thing you were worried about was your neck.
Mm-hmm.
And we were really gentle and we tried to move it, yeah. So she said after it was done, I wasn't expecting to be that pretty quick and done with. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust. I already checked her. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust. So we're gonna have you lay facing this way first. Beautiful. Straight the bottom leg for me. Bend the top. Good. There we go. You ready? Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Easy as that. Same thing the other side for me. Beautiful. And this deep breath. All the way out. Sorry, moving on. Perfect. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go face up for me. So I'm just going to grab a towel here. Sit up enough pressure. Right here. You grab this big hug. There you go. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. There it is. Crunch, crunch. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So the neck. You're going to move up just a little bit for me, Ms. Jacqueline. Perfect. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Relax. Beautiful. Ready? One more. Awesome. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was good? Okay, awesome. So yeah, so if you've been in an accident, you're pregnant, we can still treat you. Don't let it go so you keep getting worse and worse, and the relaxing in your body kind of gets worse and worse. So come on in, give us a call. All right.